this morning we're also learning our airport is seeing huge growth in the number of people actually flying.
And that also means a big change to keep you and your family safe. Our Matt McCutcheon is live from the Indianapolis International Airport with what it could mean for your next flight. Matt, good morning.
Good morning to you. So many people here are so happy to be taking a trip, and you could be even more happy if you have less time going through the security checkpoint, right? Well, that's something that's new here at security, because gone could be the days when you have to take your laptop out of your bags along with your big, heavy liquids. You could soon be able just to leave them all inside your carry-on bag and go right through the screener. That's welcome news for people right here in Concourse B, where this new screener is located. It's designed to give them more security while making them have less time in line. This is all thanks to a new 3D screening technology in use in one lane of the B concourse. Cameras inside take a much clearer and layered image of your luggage in as little as 3 seconds. The growth in the number of passengers may explain why the Indianapolis International Airport is one of the first in the country to get that new technology. Our airport sees 8.7 million travelers each year. Each day, as a matter of fact, there are an average of 145 flights. Part of the growth is from conventions we host, along with our rise in nonstop flights. In fact, in the past year, nonstop flights have been added to Paris, Seattle, Austin, Sarasota, and Charleston, all from a variety of airlines. It's driving growth and demand for more flights, especially when you consider the statistic.
Last 10 years since the development and opening of this airport, there have been 11 occurrences where we have had 17,000 or more people that we have screened at the security checkpoint. Of that 11 times over the last 10 years, 8 of them have actually occurred in 2018.
So that means there is the potential for even more nonstop flights to be added right here in Indianapolis. But as far as packing your luggage and making some changes in what you put in here, don't do that just yet. That's because, again, Indianapolis is one of only a few airports in the country to pilot this program. I mean, it could be another year or so before we see new security changes implemented and what happens here in your bag. Ben and Julia.
These things take time, but overall they're meant to kind of save you time but also keep you safe at the same time. So lucky to have this airport here in our city. Matt, thank you very much.